Hi everyone! Sa mga naghahanap ng healthy food supplement, naghahanap ng whitening, naghahanap ng pampabata, naghahanap ng pampataba, pampapayat, naghahanap ng sabon na effective for facial problems and skin problems, naghahanap ng cosmetics, bakit lagi natin pipiliin si Fronterlux products? Una, yung quality. Kasi hindi lahat ng mura maganda yung quality. Aanhin mo yung mura kung hindi naman siya effective. Pangalawa, made in USA. Mostly Lux products capsules natin dito is made in USA. Pag sinabing USA, being one of the countries na high standards, specifically when it comes to foods and drugs. Pangatlo, enhanced type can provides higher quantity and faster way. Halimbawa dito si DD Stick. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng concealer, moisturizer, foundation. It can save your time and money. Bakit? Kasi pang all-in-one na si DD Stick. And sa mga may unexpected na outer activity,